I want to show you how you got to get water for a commercial building. Check it out. Why you got to do this, and hopefully it's turned on the inside. That's the biggest thing. One thing you need is a water key. You can buy them at Lowe's. They're like $10, $12. Find the water spigot here. It just turns it on. Or you just turn it like this. The problem that you're gonna run into sometimes is that key don't always fit in these boxes. So sometimes you actually want the other type of water key. I buy both. So next thing you want to do is turn it on, because you can see all the bugs and spiders. Make sure you don't get wet. Empty that out. And then we can hook up our hose. That also lets us know that the water is on. So that's the other reason why we want to make sure that we do that. Tighten our hose, and then we can turn our water on. Get our hose good and tight, because we don't want that water getting into that drain or nothing. And then we can turn the water on. And hopefully nothing blows up when we do it.
Don't think I'm gonna need a lift?
No! What the hell you need a lift for? There you go. That is how we turn the water on. He does have a lift here, but I told him, I'm like, we don't need a lift on this. We can hit even this. Even if I had a 12-volt pump, I can shoot all the way up there with a 12-volt pump. So do I need a lift on this job? Nope, I don't even need a lift on this job. This lift is just going to slow me down at the end of the day. I can just spray it all and be done with it. And that is the beauty of us being able to clean this stuff. And no, we don't need a lift that we can spray from the ground.